A triangle is a figure formed by three segments joining three non-collinear points. An equilateral triangle has three congruent sides. An isosceles triangle has two congruent sides. A scalene triangle has no congruent sides. So to describe a triangle by its sides, you can use isosceles, scalene, or equilateral. An acute triangle has three acute angles. An equiangular triangle has three congruent angles. These angles are also acute. A right triangle has one right angle, and an obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle. So to describe a triangle by its angles, you could say acute, equiangular, right, and obtuse. For example, classify the triangle by its sides and angles. Be specific. This is an acute scalene triangle. It's acute because all of the angles are less than 90 degrees, but it's also scalene because none of the sides are congruent. The next example, classify the triangle by its sides and angles. Be specific. This is an obtuse isosceles triangle. It's obtuse because there is an angle greater than 90 degrees, and it's isosceles because two of the sides are congruent. We can also describe triangle parts. Points A, B, and C are the vertices of the triangle. Adjacent sides share a common vertex. So segment AB and segment AC share the vertex of A. The side opposite of angle A is BC because it's across from the angle. The legs of a right triangle form the right angle, and the hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. The legs form the right angle, the hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. In an isosceles triangle, the legs are the two congruent sides and the base is the other side. The legs are the two congruent sides and the base is the other side, the third side. Isosceles triangles may also be equilateral. Equilateral triangles have three congruent sides, so it would also have two congruent sides, which makes it isosceles. Angle A, angle B, and angle C are interior angles. They all make up the angles inside of the triangle. Exterior angles are formed by extending the sides. So for example, angle DAB is the exterior angle. It's the angle outside of my triangle. Angle EBC is an exterior angle, and angle FCA is the other exterior angle. An interior angle and the adjacent exterior angle are supplementary. There is a pair of congruent exterior angles at each vertex.